Kumusta? Welcome back to Hazel's Emporium. So for today's video, I am doing an unboxing stuff. I ordered this. This is for my YouTube channel, and thank you for all the support out there. To all the viewers, thank you so much. All my subscribers, thank you very much. So I want to share you what I got. I ordered this for my try-on haul outside. So first one I have this is this. Yoo-hoo! I just got this week from Amazon. This is pop-up kind of stuff, like portable. Obviously this is like a kind of tent, but this is the one that I will be using when I will doing my try on outdoor. So I can do maybe twice multiple of try on haul outside. So this is it. I am going to show you all of this. And once again, thank you for all the support. I am not here, guys, without all your help. So I really am so happy to share all what I got here now. Okay, so let's come see this. Oh, as all you know, I love green too. Oh, sure. Oh, okay. Oh, wait. Oh, wow. Oh, look at this. Isn't it this cool? Huh? Oh. All right. Looking for the zipper. I hope that I'm doing right. I guess so. Oh, this is huge. Wow. Oh, there you go. Oh, sorry. Huh. Nice one. Let's take a look. Here, move a bit. Oh, look at this. I have these tools just to hold just to stabilize the tent. So I have this. We'll see. Yes. Isn't it this cool? Woohoo! Hello, thanks again for watching Hazel's Emporium. I am happy to share what I ordered for my channel, and thank you all for the support. I will be unboxing another one, the desk. I am utilizing some space of my place because, as all you know, I am just living in a small area, not really as huge as I am renting this condo type only for one bedroom. So because as of now I am using my countertop, which it's not really a good idea because when I have visitors, we could not use this place here which we are supposed to have a little bit of wine, you know. So I ordered a desk. Everything is for my channel, and thank you all guys for all the support. It's growing up and spiking, and thanks a lot for that. So I will show you, and I will love to share the unboxing of this desk. I'm trying my best to, really I'm not a handy type of person, but since I have no one to do this, well, I will be, I mean, I do have someone, but we are all busy here, as you all know, busy work everywhere. So yes, I am happy to share this, and thanks once again for coming and viewing to my pram today, the unboxing of my pop-up pot. This is all for my outdoor try-on haul. Yay! Yay! So this is it. I got this one from Amazon. Thank you for all the support to all my members and my viewers out there, and to those who are not subscribed yet to my channel. Please do subscribe, Hazel's Emporium. Thank you. And please do support my members too. Thank you. This is all for today's unboxing. I will be unboxing next the desk one, and thank you once again for all the supporting, for coming. And I really am so happy that I have something to use on my outdoor try-on for privacy, for changing. Like I can be doing a try-on more than once, right? Because I have this to hide, of course. I need privacy. We all need privacy, right? So, yeah, hey, I am happy to share to all of you there, guys. And I got this from Amazon. Yes, I can have this definitely anywhere I go. And here, happy to share this to all of you guys. To all your support, thank you so much. And bye for now. See you on my next unboxing. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you.